ngwige libale electrical installation na bwigo electrical engineering. Asinsema ya cosmetology ngwige libale hairdressing bwigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism ngwige libale food production yani cookery na bwigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barare Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school ubulendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January nitekinega endereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sikiramba kyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Buja kima mwanjwa humo ligerali nechinsa iberechia abono maragoba litukeliga alia ichuma tariki 19 chomoti enyo 12 mwaka n'ugwekiri 2025 nekene kionga chinsa ibera senchira yobwekirano nche nigongoro kwaro ni toto nyangiri no itokubotana kwanza memenyerilio nigakorwa Wilson Makone tangani kigima aya negatiana kwarganiri ase ekionga chinsa ibere emagoroba ya lero.
Tegaiga akagenda agakora imyaka ibiri terakora imyaka ibiri bosi yaye kamutebi amento mwaka oyongo kera mwamereri akarati amento mwaka oyongo
amataya mokuro chinsemo cha maliba kobolie nyale kwage gosirwa koreta mubire bo mwana abo oyusiritie obugima bwaye asense ya Iraki
nekitali mbara bari qualified 90 tobekeno munyagitali ogweto checkinga onde naro bwate any complication problems.
Omwamsiye we wodi ya ibeno moskesivarika gochakia omarobelio obwoko warukia abana bamura imeje wodi yo ya ibeno.
These are the students who are being transitioned to grade 10 by January 2026. They are being placed today, and by noon today we will start checking to know which schools they are going to.
Abarokigwa bali baikaransa amatem yekrasi igia kianda gosekichesea gochaka kumanya chisukuru bakogenda chinene gosesini ya secondary gochaka litukolia lero. Mwanchumo ligereria kionga chinsa ibire nigotoko chakane ng'ana jogo ichania korwa chinsa mocha mariba abogeka ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South asokomemuna ya mate eyemo korwa chinsa mechio ya mate mugaka kaunda nigonya kabaga basoke na kubolia nyale kabage gosirwa yaliko ni kibuna kole tabale omubere bo mwanchuobo uyu nyate kabaga gosirira alia sense ya Iraki kole ng'ana barabo nikabaga ni irigo etan shilingi emilioni emo iliko ni kuno mubere uyu nyale kabaga koirwa ase ense yo na koira ni goiga sense ya Kenya elindanya kawakoenigwa na maskani na nigo banya kwarabna nigo munyerko yu arweta sense ya Kenya kwenda kweligeria miramo kolende ase ebatiembe agasiriria obugimo bwaye ase ensejo ya Iraki munago tumenye muri kito Dipon Asanya
mwana one goikirego obere ko tare mbiri bakaboniga umwana ngatego tare 13 umwana okure bakonya kongena ngatare 15 goika kobwe nara ichenga
eken nekerero kia mayanda korwa ase kenyero kia bogeka mariba iyo gotoke bunga ya Kitutu Chache South aso mwana obo Felistas Kemunto omunyaroka bwe myaka 32 abete kagusirira asense ya Iraq no mubiroye nigo sinyire goika sense ya Kenya
samali tangoro kurecho Kennedy nkani ngabogeka mariba aki kongo sabanga kamuranja abantu bamuto mwana naro no ku Felistas Kemunto kaunda oyo cheta sense ya Iran koligiria bana baye mwana yo galwete gaiga akagenda agakole myaka 2 kera kole myaka 2 posi yae kamutebi amento mwako yomo kera muameriri akarati amento mwako yomo akamento mwako yomo oyakolete bone myaka 3 akolete tareine kanganaria chetegega
ya mateiga yo mugaka kaunda nigo yabegitogo semeria kwabo wensi gochia aso mwanobo asebono konya basemeiria mange anene chinga kechiga chiesuguku chinga kiare koirana
mwana agatuma kere gento keri ango cha gutuma akabanga chipagi chiai kone kere ticket ya chaiche umuntu segenda akolete akamataisa we ticket nge akagenda agachikoragira ugo tira stairs agatneima mana butokanira magoro na kire stairs gutira gocheka robairo kamatengende ni gitali gatabango chandi nchiko genda ni gitali mwana iyo berire gabo matuka yetatu ewe kasasta ya botuko akairu nyagitari na ngina nero chite kumwira mudosi atamwirete akanya gitari akabeke rockstein akabekwa isi
okurwara kwaye kwa matuka make no gosirio bogima nigobone amateyo ya boligwe milioni ya monenusu Egetambokero kiabetege koimukigwa no mubungo Kitutu Chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi nigo alikaliuko gochia ase chiabisi chia Foreign Affairs abubono barolekana koenana ogosemeria okuo gutararolekana.
Habari ya leo mama? Nzuri. Kwa majina naitwa Shukri na kupigia kutoka Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Tumepokea barua kutoka kwa Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi. Kutueleza kuhusu mtoto wangu kifo ya Felistas Kemunto. Pole sana kwa msiba. Asante. Ni kukujulisha kwamba tumepokea barua. Na tutakupigia tena kukuuliza maswali madogo hapa.
Akinisaidie mtoto wangu. Akinisaidie.
Okubulia kwabo gochia ase serikali na basamaria bale no moyebo wancha no gosire amateya iga.
Pesa yetu 1.5 million mechi nyingi. Ikenere karata metoko changana watu wiki 60,000. Gatwale kwa sababu political class chakere no mheshimiwa ito MC Richmond mabongo ito Anthony Kibagendi Senator ito Richard Onyonga momoima mugimerere Doris Saburi abayo no mugabo no ito agitwasabira bakonyi bwino matakonye tole to mugirbo mwana tunya ko batako mainu saboga
mumanyite nge to kwenda Saudi okabaya abana baitu tubwatirane na mama Felista igero mubero yo nari kuira na Kenya nje na represent kurase team Gulf ensi ya Saudi basike bari konye bari Saudi abandi bahiranire Kenya peso amo toseno ya TikTok live trosie group igero to konya abana bayi to konya na mamu abo mubero irone Kenya igera nyari koini
kuripoteri yanga taseni kia gatembe kuroiga se kenyoro kia boge kamariba igotoki wodi ya boge ke bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii Iriane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Na mwancho mwaligerere korwa ase ebunge gose ewodi ya ibeno ebunge ya Nyaribari chache litukulia lero nigo abana bamurago etani miemo abale igati ya miaka kianda na 12 banyaka baba kwarukigwa inse yomurubali ogosirwa muno mumode umwe we wodi yo omoske Steve Arika na nigo anyaraka bakwana nabali kibamangana nigo anyaraka bakwana kibna umurubali yo nigo lengete huna nigo obochanwa bwabana bwo kupogochi goikeranigwa na nigo bagochikolendwa kolengana nebirengo biri bwendete chingaki bagendete no morbolio yubu nago tumanyi molikito Daniel Ontiri
ukwaruka nekemo kibirengo bine asobugima bw'omuntu namona asabasaye b'imyaka meke morobelio nonye nabo orelekanire koganini benyinge gokoreka kubwatekana no gukina kwerigori ry'obugima muna nonye kere getambo kere kenene na ndi kingencho na muna asomo gusie kubwatekana nayo abasa baiga bake kurwase wodi ebino nigolero basuka sigetambo kere kyo nyuma yoko egwa obose migoro y'obugima obuya bwa masomo nenchera bwendete gwetanga kurwase binyinyi binyamuleo morobelio okurwase nyagitari yebino inse y'oburayi bwayo mu MCA we wodi yo Moske Steve Arika
nindina maukase tukolia rero asa baibuli balia batanyara koira bana kwarukia goseiburu rero neri tukolia bolia lenge bachire barukiu aso mwakoyo na batetinga kero moibuli gakogenda no mwana oe asengencho balitwara gituma komotangani no yokabere ekero to kokonya na gosino kwarukia mwana no gokianiri musigo kiagera economy buna yabeire ondita iyo ukeroje igo nabono togo patina banyagitari mbara bari qualified na inde tobeke no munyagitari ogweto checkinga onde naro bwate any complication problems
ukwana chinga kecho abo ibuli babo nigo bagokere tambo kere kyo na mono chinga kechiga bagendrete na mirobelio yogokoro mwaka na magiga yae kwaligania aborokiwa babo goso achisukuru
ase omwaka oyo igagwa atokonyire mbare batarenge kwenyara lakini gokore gasingia gwetera ase obugambi bwaye nande nkoire na mbia mono ase miaka yonse pina arukiri abana abona amigegete sana nande namaete usenia kene ninche gokonye kama nakonyekire bono iga babeire bagosemiwa mang'ana mayabu na bagwente kogenda komenya nyumba nabuna bagendere bakuru nyumba bagende skuru batwara machika abanyagitari baba twabere tokogokiwa na obosemi bole ima ibeno nyagitari
ando mugambi onyarire ko bagakoba abagaka bali abagotu bali babakoro bagocha asa abana bo bosemi obuge kogera konye ndo tokwarukeri kali lakini boniga abana abaiga ngoigu baro bosemi boro buya bogochiko barenda uchimutu asichinga kichabo
bono umunene tigamuseseni ekiagera bono nonye twaikagaiga nonye n'abana bari bande barenge no gwoba babire no bari mu ngatari njubye kana ari kwaruka abana n'abange twaruka
nkurubaterega taseni kiagatembe kuraiga bino imeye bunge ye Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii aliterene nguruko Daniel Ontiri
na mwancho morigereri aborokiwa bali baikaransa matemo a junior secondary makatamna kijesea na matemo basoka amatuka makaitire nigo bachaka kumanya gisukuru chinene ekiri baraji konyarka bagojuka somera gose chia senior secondary ritkolia lero aya niga kwanwa amo no muwaziri wechisemi muske Julius Migoso gamba chingakekirana ase umuyega bwo kubekirwa chigutwa kwa barokiwa be University ya Kenyatta.
This sector has begun to prepare for the monumental shift that will be marked by the entry of the first cohort of CBE students into higher education in 2029. These are the students who are being transitioned to grade 10 by January 2026. They are being placed today, and by noon today, we will start checking to know which schools they are going to. They are due to transition to our universities in 2029. Ladies and gentlemen, this new generation of students, molded by a competency-based curriculum, will arrive with different skills, different expectations, and a proficiency in practical application and critical thinking. They will demand flexible, multidisciplinary, and technology-driven programs. I look to Kenyatta University as a recognized trailblazer and market leader in education to set the standards. The university's demonstrated commitments to adapting its curriculum and embracing digital pedagogy must now be accelerated to ensure a seamless transition. You must lead the way in curriculum alignment, infrastructure, scaling, and faculty retooling. This university has the history and human capital to manage this transition successfully and to demonstrate to the nation how a modern university integrates primary and secondary school reforms into a world-class higher education. You must and can be the benchmark. Ladies and gentlemen, back to the class of 2025. You are graduating.
Na umanjo muligereri igoro yo mugiro obwa aborokia be university lecturers uyo nyaraka bagoko basegeka egetambe na gotenwa kubwatikana muno kwigwana gwa serikali gwa kana chibesa gusetsira yabo nigo mwasiri migoso gamba ane kibuna nigo gwikira bonega ekengese gatanga nigiesire iganya kwage gwakanwa na nigo chigo njingwa na chigandrete kwa ane kibuna kengese gya kabrengwa kanukere na boigo mangana muna yugo sokoro gabno kutikolichi kwa ane kigwa asama tukalibobe gosama tukalibo egento kegochi kiaba umuchando mandego chase aborkiwa na boigo abaibuli.
The recent industrial action by our dedicated staff, though unfortunate in its timing and consequences, highlighted a very legitimate concern: the timely negotiation and proper implementation of the signed collective bargaining agreements. Let me be clear. The government is fully committed to industrial harmony because university staff are the engine of our education and their welfare dictates the quality of education that we deliver as a country. We have listened, we have engaged, and we have now established a clear path forward. The outstanding arrears from the 2017-2021 collective bargaining agreements are now being settled as agreed.
Na umancho muligereri omwamsie we ward ya Kisii Central Moske Wilfred Mwanyenye Yoge na boigo mujumbe we bunge ya kituo cha South Omoske Anthony Kibagendi nigo basingerire kuboria omugusiko bamagega na gusira iganga yaye Dr. Fred Matiang'i oyoro muraibu kiama gosamo kwa muraibu kiama gya Jubilee yokorigia ekerogo kyo buraibu nse asaba chale bane bo mwaka bwa 2025 nebere bakwana ase omoyega oyomo bo matanga imeye ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya kituo cha South County ya Kisii abo nigo baruwe kurega tindi go chiase bali bakwamereria Omoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i asogo tabona nigo baraje gutwara getiro ase okorigia ebirogo ao ime county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira.
Ninjengire fara yogo itimaro intwe abadote neina Mheshimiwa Kibagendi bera alia sule tosuka abagusitu NCP watabirega tole nyuma ya Matiang'i ndori nyuma ya Matiang'i tu NCP arakiango inga bali bakuna koli Matiang'i ebigocha nande baraba gusi sauri yao emeringo siye kwere obwata mokororeki diu kingo siye gore fata kakini jengire sara yowe na intwe omogusi to nyomba to akajikura jeto jote binga pa yari yokogamba aliso ikura ikire 1626 toka lero 647 48 tomu bugeta kikura 40 kemana ko nganta isai oriyo ko Matiang'i ebigocha sauri yak aligisogo rero twateba gaisa gusibwe kanisa Matiang'i nero tokordaki Matiang'i nero tokordaki oyo minto Kibagendi oberoro itutu aroni manyete nenywe
wewe patie huyo mtu 50 million aweke kwa bank aende kufanyia biashara hapa Kisii. Duke, nataka unisikize vizuri. Gusii, Kisii County na Nyamira County. Wewe kama ni senator ama governor ama mjumbe ama MCA, kama hausupport Fred Okengo Matiang'i, PO Box wapi? PO Box wapi? Hiyo report ninaomba ifikie kila mtu. Na watu wasifikirie wanatutisha. Abantu amorote mbatogose. Sisi tunawaambia watakuja hapa na hizo pesa. Hawa watu wetu watakula. Na ende bagocha mwacha sobonge. Mwali kibese ekyo. Kibese ekine ekyeito. Ekere mwalire. Bako bataimoro kie bichara mworokia. Mwachibwata mogokora koruo mwabatebi 1 akia segenjera matanga tinta etiko kuana mono lakini Ruto tonyarire baminto. Our enemy in this country is one William Ruto na vifaranga wake, si ndio? Na mimi niambie wale wanasimama kura, kuanzia vijana, hata ile kijana amezungumza hapa vizuri, toli gichikura asobu ororo
Mwancho muligererie na magina kulingalia ase kionga chinsebere kulenda toka na mutima kwa muka igoto kwirana nyala kwa toko gendera igoto sukachari.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Gusii Excellence Gospel Awards, Gega Awards 2025, second edition, bigger and better than before. Happening this Sunday 21st at Kisii ATC Grounds from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Entry is free. Come and celebrate excellence of Gusii creatives and other entities.
Mwanzo mulige karibu asensemiga ya kabire ya kionga chinsabire humanyakero go ya sekta ya bodaboda insel ya boliria BAK korwaze county Nyamira Dominic Babu nigo airaning buya mwano gochia se chinsage acho bolendi ichanya kwa chikwana kyabuna ngola tachire obolendi no bwa matobuja igati yebyombe bya bana bodaboda ebibyararekana bikongusana na okwana chinga kiasanga na bagandi bebikorwase omocho keroka ase okorotota omwaka omwaka umuye babu boigo nigo aganire abana bodaboda kwa maiso chinga kibarasi chipara na boigo kubwatia amachiko mnagotume mulikito Paul Cup okara
gukwana chinga kyasangamo n'abagendi b'ekipikipiki na nekorwa stage ya shifling imeyo muchokeroka nigo munyakerogo yiga wikembekeri ya PK korase county Nyamira Dominic Babu atebira mu rubuli yiga uratkunyara kabako kagendera se county ngima
gwagera nyasaye mbo yamono asato rusina asato ikiribondo yengokora togochio mwaka ritugorara twacha stage ya shifling boda ye ime ya Masaba North twacha kochaka na barabo yendegoro kwa ali ya Christmas ekitwachakire na anaba wish Merry Christmas exercise muneke kegenda that close the county more than stage 30 ngo achire abanyagero bongolonje ngo abara abantu babendogoro ka ali Christmas
nigo hanyare ko bagakubabuli abanyakiri gukora stage kwene kibunango tumeka bali bisabwa biri bagendera ko babakubosirania unenkire yamo yoko beko musasu ko cyase cyamate cyabagendi b'ekipikipiki chinga kiciga cyesugukum
again now all the chairmans bari all over the stages across the county across all the sub counties whatever they have saved we make sure baira abantu babe Christmas na baro baragere buya as one way yokoronga kingwa korete ga stage yao bali batabwa ati na baro yokorogi mubate weakness yene wo mwakorete kenda stage emwara okorra chinda
babu yo nyara kabaga gukwanira nchira umwako yigo nyara ko gutware sikaniga tiye byombe bya boda igabere nilingambiyana n'abanyanyimba bali bati nabo ko mwasokoleta omurembe yendukorenga namonere agendere ko bagakubulya abagendi b'ekipikipiki ko wachinga kicinyororo kwene kibunana barabuo ngori bali bitoki birabakonye kwegendereria asobogema
chishunjire cyaba keroka kaibirisa tonenga ngwa kerosi yezo itokira idembo yamono twa solo dinere abantu mbachaka kubwata abantu ofyofyo nje mune president ye county engimana kana to ne bwenza abwatwe county nande jinejinga ke abantu bakwirigeri school fees nonya nabo bakubwatwa wata registered na kana bali kibesa ba register ngora bonega chinga kijiri kumundare ko tume kukirimiti gose ukiritimba yo kwanga iso mwana boda mwabo nje tune na wakati ikonde bwenzi boda nari na about the freedom yo kolega asiandons under article 37 ye katiba ito ya Kenya na bokora boda andons na ndo register endero kana bantu mba register ba kwa time nje na rwete grace period mune president ya PK 3 months
omwali ojeni gagenda ko bakubulya abagendi b'ekipikipiki kwene kibuna chinga keciga chimereka Yesu guku ngo babale maiso kubwatikana n'amabe ali akoletwa mahase ogotabwatia lichiko
munatoga ndete kokoba abantu je Christmas na igure jibibi cyacagire ko ibuna aho aba driver baito babe cautious nebindo mbiro biritu adebete aba riders mara bajagire ko rati to kwano jasekete chitaya to abwatu exhaust oligere liyo taya ikora abantu babwatu boda bange bare tukoti bari wakwe fine yitajiri babegete jipikipiki nevi exhaust amangana yitajiri chitali rigo chirindu agete marufuku account yeto ya Nyamira ngima tigabantu babege chitachi anomo
eginko report rigeta sinikya wanchite kyagatembe kurugi gastin semechega che sub county Masaba North me county Nyamira inchego ngoro kwa Paul Cup okara
na umanjo moligereri abisyo molingoli bwe budget gose controller of budget nigo yanyale kabage ko bolia gose kwanika mbolia mange igoro botumikibwe kibesa ase serikali cye county okwana kurwa abisi yo mugavana bwe county ya Murang'a nigo omotreneri bwe abisi yo anyaga bagagote bagose ko bolia okoligererwa ogwanchiranwa nabo igo ogwekiranirwa which budget chance cye county ase birengo bidi bibwenerete
gukwana chinga kyasangamo n'abagendi b'ekipikipiki na nekorwa stage ya shifling imeyo muchokeroka nigo munyakerogo yiga wikembekeri ya PK korase county Nyamira Dominic Babu atebira mu rubuli yiga uratkunyara kabako kagendera
mwanje muligere to sabo kwabera asogo tutukano ko wechipi chakolenda konyere tu nigo yabisyo mulingoli bwe budget yo omanyekana na control of budget yanyala kaba geko bolia amabolia mange igoro botumekibwe chibesa ase serikali cye county okwana kurwase yabisyo mugavana bwe county ya Murang'a nigo muteneryo atabira buna nerubuya budget ye county wanchiranwa na gutumeko buya gose na gwikiranirwa una ebwenerete.
There was very little development expenditure in the first quarter for many of the counties. In fact, over 20 of them had zero in development expenditure. But the reason why this is happening, and I think everybody who's listening should take this into account, is that the budgets of the counties are delaying a lot, which is against the law. In terms of the Public Finance Management Act, all budgets from the counties are supposed to have been approved by the county assemblies and forwarded by the governors by the 1st of July, so that budget implementation can begin immediately. It's not enough for us to complain that the Treasury has not released the funds if we do not have a budget which can enable us to absorb those funds.
There are some expenditure items that we would want them.
Na mwanjo muligire makonyi bo muraibense Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki ni goana kiribuna emirobiri nigerorro US serikali yabikire likulinda amanani nabo igochin sana nabo igochin itichoro sana Kindiki nigali kuwa na iga chinga kekirana asomoroberio bogosoka kwa babisa bobokorero bwa amanani gose Kenya Wildlife Service ase eskuru yobokorero bwo ayo manyekanete buna manyani.
To secure this heritage, the government is establishing a world-class national wildlife protection and anti-poaching modernization framework. We are integrating elite ranger units, intelligence-led operations, AI-enabled surveillance, drones, satellite-linked patrol systems, and modern command and control network across our protected areas. We are strengthening cross-border cooperation to dismantle international wildlife crime networks and establishing a national wildlife forensics and intelligence center to fight poaching with science and precision. We are also investing in the people who stand on the front lines. With the recruitment of 1,500 rangers and cadets, improved welfare, specialized training, and a clear housing policy for officers, especially those in remote and high-risk stations. We are building a professional, motivated, and highly skilled conservation force. Rangers will be protected by the law, and those who threaten or attack them will face the full force of justice. At the same time,
na mwanchomo ligali go kolera ni go barai ao banyara koba abakorwa engwana yo kumwegerera omonogeri bwe bunge nene omoske Moses Masika wetangura atabanya koba koboria nyakabaga kwegwa amaskani airinda nyakago kirania emiremo yaye bakwana ase omoyega bokwenia mumbrumu abo asirita James wetangura liwanya koba koboria omoske wetangura kwegwa amaskani ekora na abisia bwata nabo isaine amaskani yabwanda bara yabo niko bara wa muno murayibu abange ase bunge ya Senate nabo igo umugavana we county ya Bungoma Omoske Ken Rusaka.
Speaker wetu wa National Assembly, this community has invested in you for over 40 years. Over 40 years, nakumbuka wakati umeanza kama magistrate 1982. This cannot be in vain. At least tumeinvest kwako and it cannot be in vain. Tutaendelea kusimama na kutembea pamoja na wewe na kukuunga kwa mkono kwa ile yoyote ambayo utakuwa unataka as our leader from this region. Because hata huyu ambaye amelala anaitwa James Mokwana, lazima kuna mlongo. Even twins are born the same day but one must come out first.
Tutasimama na wewe mpaka maneno ikuwe vizuri. Na niombe jamii hii, kina Makali na wengine, kiongozi anajengwa na watu wake. Kiongozi analindwa. Na hakuna kiongozi malaika. Kiongozi yoyote ana uzuri wake na kuna upungufu kwa sababu yeye ni binadamu. Cha muhimu ni kuhakikisha kwamba mmemzingira, mmemuinua ili aweze kuleta matunda mazuri hapa nyumbani.
Mimi na wenzangu tutatembea na yeye usiku na mchana. Tutetea heshima ya watu wa Bungoma. Na hakuna mtu atatutisha ama kutuyumbisha.
Mimi ni mama, nimechaguliwa na watu wa Vihiga County. Ningependa kusema wale ndugu zetu ambao wanapiga makelele kila wakati kwa Papa Warema, kila wakati kwa Musalia Mudavadi, sisi tunasema wakuje tuungane tukue jeshi moja.
Wewe ni kiongozi wetu, wewe ni speaker wetu. Nimesikia ndugu zetu wakiongea hapa. Nilikuwa nataka niambie watu wa Bungoma, huyu speaker ni kiongozi wa taifa. Na huyu speaker naona ni kama mnataka kufanya maneno mengine hapo kidogo ya michezo. Huyu jamaa hapo mbele, sitaki kusema sana, mkae rada, kae chonjo. Sema hiyo.
Mwanje muri kirabu na tokolera nsema iga ya amangana maya he kionga chinsebere kolenda senseme ya kabere niko togo chwe karansa AMO na oyondi na boigo kwambuka lyentunya gbatoko kwanera amange igoro ya mangana ya chigo soli chyo kwegia na boigo chitaranta na boigo no manyibonde na gukonyeretu ni kitokura chyo kwanera mangana nara gendo kwanika igoro yigendo kunga ibibiana talibia nenche bevyabo litukoria hankyo haze mocho bosongo gochiterwa ya kwana mange gotosko challenge ni ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyagiri kuransemo yebi majererio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli na boy kuransema atanzu nigakorwa DJ Atsan ngose Kevin Ongeri gende otorubuli weme ya Getembe TV ekionga kya musi.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeri bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeri bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi ya principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali bakore chiskuru cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara woni gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship ngwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana ngwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye skuru urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana ngwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kose obakirisi migwetras chilamba chabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna mono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase chi tent ebirogo decoration lighting chi carpet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somuchobo sungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimyasi number 0721-217817. Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Mandela Gisemba kutoka Shah Ceramics Limited. Tunawatakia nyote Christmas njema na mwaka mpya wa mafanikio. Asanteni sana kwa kuwa nasi kwa huu mwaka mzima. Naomba hivyo mwaka ujao muwe pamoja nasi katika hii biashara. Kwa wale ambao mnafanya finishing, karibu hapa Shah Ceramics, mnunue tile, mnunue 1, 2, 3 ili mfanye finishing kabla watu waje Christmasi. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
We, Shah Ceramics, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026.
Gusii Excellence Gospel Awards, Gega Awards 2025, second edition, bigger and better than before. Happening this Sunday 21st at Kisii ATC grounds from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Entry is free. Come and celebrate excellence of Gusii creatives and other entities.
Ruby Matadwe twabaga nire Christmas yekia no mwaka muya wa mafanikio bia mana singe tumwa tare rinda so mwaka 2025 twabaga ni na tare naitwa asu mwaka 2026.
Sana.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
School director, teachers, parents, and my fellow learners, good afternoon.
Je, unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga mtoto wako kitaaluma na kimaadili? Karibu Prince Shiner's Royal Academy. Shule inayotoa elimu bora na nafuu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 5 na ni fully CBC compliant. Katika Prince Royal Shiners Academy tunajivunia madarasa ya kisasa na yaliyo na vifaa vya kutosha, walimu wenye ujuzi na waliothibitishwa na Wizara ya Elimu, huduma ya usafiri ya kuaminika kuhakikisha usalama na faraja ya mtoto wako, pamoja na ukuaji wa vipaji na talanta za wanafunzi. Mahojiano na udahili wa mwezi wa Januari unaendelea sasa. Tupate katika Jogoo, Stage Miwa, kando ya barabara kuu ya Kisii Nyamira. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0711209846 au 0751190580.
I'm Divina Rogers, Madam Director Prince Shiners Royal Academy. Wazazi wale wametupatia watoto kwa hii shule yetu ya Prince Shiners Royal Academy, na washukuru sana. Na wala mjaleta watoto wenu Prince Shiners, pia ninawakaribisha tuletee watoto Prince Shiners. Na kwa sasa interviews na admissions from playgroup up to grade 5 zinaendelea from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Nafasi zimebaki ni chache, harakisha uandikishe mtoto wako shule nzuri ya Prince Shiners ili mtoto wako ashine. Welcome, we shine together. Thank you.
Prince Royal Shiners Academy. Education is key.
Kuru kwa Pastor Nemuel Omenta igonde umuremi weterase kiombe gekuru kwa BioVision Africa Trust abo batorokererie ngoro y'oburemi obuyobuye buno bwigamoroche buria bw'oburemi obokoboke sabaremi baria bagotumia kirimo hai kerigitari gucanganya oburemi n'amangana y'ikikemiko twakirembiya manase BioVision iya torokererie na gwikiraga se twikire gatote abangambia mono BioVision yegenderere abaremi ba minto ba BioVision bare gusi abaremi ba minto ba BioVision bare Kenya ngima igo nkubaganiria kwa niaba ya BioVision amangana maya mwako muyumuya nabo igone Christmas ikia ikitwaberera nkone orase bwango iga ese niwe Christmas ikia mwako muyumuya kwa niaba ya BioVision mbiya mono. Thank you.
Sha Ceramics nigobono yago keirie riguri riechitile cha Twyford icho bono igachi konigwa chishiringi chimisano nebere nemerongebere chuka ase a box ya 30 by 30 nigoba koni ya chimabol bunabono chitable taps koni bari chirangi aina chonse koni bari solid doors PVC ceiling babugata chitile chechinyasi naboigo chechi floor MBF pyramid gypsum cornice filled fables mabwate chi double corner shelf a towel rack chi scrap holders chi soap dispenser naboigo chi shower mbabugate chi birengo ne chi type au ebintu bya plumbing beyonce p bunabono PPR female PPRT PPR stop valve sockets PRS chi generator mbabugate chi type chonce p chi submissive pumps chi drill babwate chi type chonsi chi bench vise chi meter saw Anson scales naboigo mbabwate chi water tap chonsi pi simiti chi chuma chi water tank chi water pipe amabati ye chi type chonsi emesumari noego toka eyubwagachi ne yamabati nigobago toka Cansons Plaza aseparena na ya Kisumu Highway inchuo Sha Ceramics bwegorera serigurianse.
Mwanjo mo ligera na tia gotebia sensemo ya kabere ye kionga iyo megetho na ngwana ya gatembe magorobe ya lero nigo tuli nabageni me studio na nigo tugujukwanira iguru ya mangana ya chigosoli chio kwegia mangana a film production nigo se film in general mangana art na ayanda mange ayo abwatrantie engane yo na hali tukuli ya lero aputu na barubu nyumo tarabarora kolengi no bamenyete achinjira so gochakira ritanga ngora baregani maiko batabi muna mamanyirisi kari karibu be story ya gatembe kwambuka oyondi na kwambuka ayuna aro manyika ndesiko gari lakini sirero tikatoenda dipa ke tatabenga kitu cha kirere this fast jakeli etali ya oboronge
asa mariete nkuru ku Frida Onduso kurubonchari lakini ayo kwega nkuru kwambuka muko oyondi usimu ko mwali
oyondi naeze
nchabono musacho kwambuka abana bwa abantu bane
esa abana bwa abantu oyondi
abana bwa abantu oyondi anyway ko Java Subutu no morugane we screen ntuonsi na abakosoli
bokwegia
yeah
asoko chakara mumanyagara tumunayo manyagara tumutindi sana isiko gali ukolerio umwana oyo sana ukumukuri umuchande tube kolengina nisiko gana bora nyanda babe bakanya bagosomera ngeta byeli bwaterepe tumetinga nchiranere uranyore nga ngokoberera konkobeka ayo munyene chei na oyo ndiko tabautisha
nkomberere raisi trochi ninje lakini wana abantu ko babera kun mbali kumanya muna boniga nabo montagwanja muna kwambuka gotera because umwana muziki ose muna active ono monto bwo go sabe namba maybe amoegasi
tegarango jibosere oyo ndi aramuko
nabo kwa nyamba gukora no kugore gento omonto maybe ogo treat na way no bwo bagete
Bolia manyete screen.
Yes, but reno mate na intu mwanya bantu. Na ndekera bakobo iga na gochimbuya. Rojireno. It means igege ntongo kora ngoba kuna kire. So kunyara kuira ni character I think it's easier for me. Maybe it's hard for fans but I like it that way. Yeah.
Na somete story gete ya mo gosari boko ebyo buke giyo mo se all good. Oyo akara nguboli gwatabetenga inawi ngaita akiti movie korukunga Black Panther agatabanga eroli ya etwese ogochia se movie eri ya mwavekitire tobo mabwaye mbaka sinara kugenda abantu bakaba kumochiko moseli korengana nebicheli barochese barochese biche wekirande bwasome iru kabisa nga oyo nditoli muntu byeto bwende kubera gasto
actually severally daily omogosoli wechi omogosoli yo we chigosoli chuko ya koruko Michael B Jordan so daily na ekerongoli na ega na ogomwaga ngaki kwaraira kwambuka ngora
mbobogocha
goko goli mongina ekera kwa mwaga ne kwakora nkwaniri kwambuka lakini kwa mwira
kwambuka sense moya we ngake mangana ya kwa factory
it's a double-edged sword asende because most of the time inkomera abantu sky bagonte bitokwaniri umwari murakini takonyora para soka karwa
nkyo karapa
karwa gena nyonga mwari mutakonyora bane bakonyora bante kwambuka gendorare segijo yanarete konte kwambuka sira endorare but nande na experience a lot of love kurwa sabasubati because yabange bakorora the situations tiabo bakurelate nanda basubati abangi bono nche for me openiri umurangu ndentamete nganoro murangu advocacy because abasubati bawo chabante aki ayoka getengo actiori jobona nche nabo menyete igo lakini nana nyori abasacha bane naro na umira somewhere ntate tuko kwa nataba yanganere musacho yu akamigo koboko tata agon twist yo koboko are serious, it was almost violent mpaka I had to beg him ngambwa to yani akongorokinga ncheninda afadhali kubuoyondi usoyo nenanyora yo nenanyora kaindo terimo mata igasi kibana kiringa ntitukwenda kuragira umusacho gitaga chakante kwambuka imo konsibia mako Na ndare serious yate tumusibia
mama kora yondi.
So it's a double edged sword lakini ende I for the most part no bwancha ninkonyora na tiankwani abasacha bechi taxi kana bayabali so atimbare bari rogoro a capital roundabout bako ni chiduve they love me and I love them back dande mbanje to mwalimu mpaka ria kominyo kiba ntebya yebera bumwa
to basokozuka bono ese elieteli kwambuka significance kiri bwatu kusinga kwali kerete na elia ona kwa danga to seka kiri ajitese quality to make a screen.
Actually elieteli 2020 when was it 2023 or 2021 that time when we were Njenaya na Osoro.
That was in
2020 angendi elieteli by the way because I'm from nini a multi-tribal background. Bono ilitaria nadiye timbo atiri itarie kegusi pase. Bono libako ndoka kwa Osoro agatabatiga barandoka mura. Gabate mura hero ya tintageti. Oya no yo kwane tenga kwamboka. Kara alipinga lakini nani tugasoe kipindi kyari kurukunga mako byara. Twari kurike script ya studio somewhere turi batatu. Tukarika tukarora umuntu uyu hakuru kukwambuka after to alikire the story tukateba umuntu uyu kwambuka akuru nabona kwambuka kayiburu ubona makobyara mpaka rero ingai
by the I don't remember that I named you that.
You can't remember but I do.
So Oyondi first of all ilide ene rokete sababu neli there is a teacher Tansometi. He's a former principal on Nduru High School. Yeah. So my cousin Numa Tango Soma Nduru. So when he could come holiday, otu wake romugano muno yondi yaro mutindi muno yondi mwalimu yondi akoba minyoki. And then again there is a story about former South Mugirango MP Oyondi. Okoroko Oyondi. Nere no monto mutindi sana. Kera kwa era no mwalimu kabere nkagere. Oh. So nkaigunga siminglie lieteli. Background ya yego sekera kwaliro kiro meke yo mutindi. Uko bugata so ngadana ijo muiko tingo yo bugata.
Aba nande you are natural.
Yeah. Na twira neso le kwamboka. Ngakikwenya aliteso kwa akitibo.
Nchaso kwa acting from the point na ngomo kenta iteko credit mama. Mama is a very good literature teacher. Chemna na ibore tuga mbete mbare bagu chibe exaggerate lakini chemna na ibore tuga nyorete
comedian straight
nyorete minto abantu mama ko imoko chaka gokuoti bitabu byabo Aminata ibitabu byabo siku njema nasomete kindi 5 class 5 nsomete babo siku njema kiu unajua mimi sikufanya hizo vitabu but I read them. My mother loved literature and so meti paka kindomo ke so secondary school nkagenda nari ngomobera ngakora acting na mashairi secondary school nkagenda Maryhill ngakora acting up to nationals ngo napata certificates of merit and recognition to areko feature some programs on Education TV the National Educator KBC Chiabo Great Debaters Contest ngaswa university nkara take a break from acting ngaswa politics active politics che university gokora mangana representation ladies representation in the university one of na korete one school reality met with with the fantasy nka realize na even if ni so merete gentugite I also have a passion for acting so we met up na Babo J na Osoro the actor actually nero mbatito ko bako into the industry bono tukatigara nche J na Osoro nkabate by the way people I am an actress and that is how now I joined Kisi acting industry.
Yeah. No, I understand yao. Nche by the way this is the second time I'm giving my history and I think nalita ni chukoiko. When I was in high school school ine ilietali ikora kidogo. Nali litata.
Ojobe wanga ndio ke.
Mate. Nali litata ko iguliete. Karona nge you know ntia soma the Kisi primary. Lakini because yo mate obo manyimbara oyoli babugate. Mate sino bweke ene sino bwo bolimo because nje no moyo boli nje ni chambo tuwale. Nsome the Kisii primary up to class 7. So because barote nga baisi kongera lisabu nsomero max na baramente onyona rangeri gustare lakini nitindangeri tali nchomo ono lende amaroro ya baibuli taikiraniti aya na gaikarana ono lende kana ikire skuru yegoro Kenyoro DOK sawa sawa
ni ukweli unasemanga DOK okay
DOK PO box yako nyalenga PO box 2 ya Marange sawa gaikali ngayoranga me and the two others we are able to speak English mata ine skuru obege sogi sikose bikoroto aba ogosoka kwende skuru ogosekerero ine skuru tu ariko tumwe binago ine skuru tu tumwe bitata ine skuru amakombe amache eskeo koma watu mpaka kwere nde bana nyo gosinyo gwakana ebase activity na bagutunga motoriro bwe bituma that is a true story ine skuru tu alenko ba address nike usi the head teacher was not able kwana egeswahili kosege songo not because he didn't want to kwana egesongo kwa mutiritaniri but I think aleko kwana but I think he's late but I think aleko kwana esenge nalia wanafunzi bara understand sawa sawa so njina mwigota kwana egesongo once sawa so bakanga head of debate club na waliki aleko kwere skuru but I was the head na ndimo kwana gusi kwanza mono kwana egesongo gali simbiribiri course yes so naonja gereta activities chane I went to high school ngagenda rio ndonga nkagenda na Uriri Boys so ngachikokolera naro naende lakini akia yo libanda barabure bikonde elile ngokora nabonda arangiri kuno ngane skuru kone yekenyoro bone hardship naba kwa max hardship aba komendera hardship yes so nkarenda nyamunalia secondary school itebu ati high school to secondary school namunalia mixed secondary school PO box 3 so there I launched a drama club esina lenge monyakero go se chairman and I got a chance to it was the first dietande vale koro kanga something delegates whatever and I was one of the best speech makers tukaenda Nairobi Bombers for 7 days and it was a very amazing experience. I talked before Kalonzo Musyoka, Pepe Minambo and the president by then so Koru Kenyoro. I was shining a light from South Nyanza but the one I'm shining light Koruga Gusi I think konaro bono
ina kibono cha giteko ko activono after in adulthood
after this is a good question fast forward I've launched my acting not as an actor but as a director because nalikuligereri these movies sorba koru kyondo criticize them ama abweze director karoga ndote libodi na bota chikombura naro kubolinga mumroyo arabuno yo mwaba samora kipagendi karoto kendra by the way interesting people ask me a lot tima jo sembo gene samora osengu kwa na munere but Samora na light skinned Samora is a very good friend of mine we've worked together and we share a lot in common so probably that's why we are looking alike no moirione sinjo no mokusi oboirimboro aborabo wana we said it wali kwambuka ko boli to kwanja tratabuti
you started as a director na kwa liko them
yeah I started as a director and actually the first series na directed with the guidance here Steve Mumanyi Osoro the actor ne Juma Kobiara and by the way Osoro is the one who made me act and I didn't want to
we were forcing him alikuwa na hepa
and I didn't want to act atakweza magari camera na to create something ndigereli bono esho endega ache korukumechima buru which the three of us Osoro Frida and I tukaisaransa tukachako script tukachako ki so character gacha yo muntu mwenda atindie baganya tande to am branded so tukachikuri ngora yakole Osoro na Frida bagasta koraga na tanga ki yakole and that is how the moment we did the first scene yani magic happened on set between Kwamboka and I. Itoko so ige set na tutabanga ngitokora.
Chemistry yo
inaenda. So from then up to now.
So bona iga nkwa bwa the preference ya yaringe behind the scenes, because behind the camera, and we are away from the screens. Lakini bona iga preference ya kiere kwa igire gwanjire mangana gitinyo ta ngagichora sa ya mogotenena. Mai ga ye kamera osemutu ye kamera.
I think onye ndi okona chanu kabere abongo tali getalia kama osio ne kende mai. But the beauty about a film sometimes tali kire scene yokoba abakonya ngole chi scene sano ne scene chire 20 so 15 ejina abakonya chance to direct.
And also so kobugati ngora abugati nde na ni chamangana ya acting. I want to be an actor, lakini kaba discourage kidogo. But nuko lakini agotre na montage kuli kwira ngo chikabe actor. Ngoso manda chi actor nyingo kanyanga na actor mini character and na producer yewe kwende yego say script writer something like that. So I believe na boko gwake.
Yeah, you can multitask.
So far ki story ne sa Frida tari Frida Kwamboka. So far esa vali acting yake Roger.
So far
especially bano gusi because nabona nyara sande ya njagara ya chagete ya chire mutu
dina chagete ko buna Kwamboka ritangani kigusi ikwina ingia uyu na manyete no excuse yago ndabika kigusi kiago because nje I have grown up in a background ya Bible ba kwa na tokukona si tokukona na more than 5 languages kiro monta kwa I will not go deep into languages ki lakini sei to asenko tata no mugusi lakini rende nyomba ya ito abantu ba kwa na so many languages. So Rina chagete acting, and this one is just a raw honest opinion of my acting journey. Rina chagete acting na ringe go struggle with nini language korosiri nganalibe what it really means. And then as we went on, I started to fall in love. Buna to agendrete ko acting ka chaka wancho kobo mogusi yani identity ya neyo mogusi ege so kibono mpaka ande very proud ukwana nganje
mogusi
bona interest yane ka grow omete ka grow mpaka like kina kiegento acting ya nkore irenta chikweba pi na nchire kobo mogusi mono kubwa buna na nchede kobo mogusi kare bono iga riro montago kwa niguro ya banchari for example yani nkoro yani ko igubuya because bono na
wewe mukio kabakonga no
nche no monchari nche no mogusi o monchari when we write stories language cover us at the center of expressing these stories riro montago kwa nanga obegaki omete gente kyo montago tevinga ge explain ya sege songo montago to konyara wikwana ngangi kemineti ngachanga manyanga this journey ntetenyere mpaka omwerio my dream ye journey ane asenda ikenta evenga bono usito ikire bono asetutakire tobe we are doing very well basi bati mbare bachite before me and I'm very proud of them yesare kemuntu babo bochabiri omwanji turubena yani those women they gave their all to the industry in the way they knew best na bono iga they are holding our hands because we collaborate a lot na barabu na ndenje ama beneficiary of the work they did. Now my passion bono iga seri in my journey ya acting neringa ndorenga ekegusi specifically ni na chitenga so mangani yoko brand ekegusi through my acting. UNESCO ebago tebanga in the next 15 to 25 years ekegusi is among the languages chiko by extinct. Ginkoligeri countries like Nigeria through their acting bono igo mogusi kare gali kwerende kerina agoteba oga agotebanga chineke tufia kwa you know no ni ntwa bagusi through the acting it is power igunere chinguru to bwate chioko ni omugusi skali nande ditukonda achendorenga na nyorero musongo agoteba achigaki yani all no twaikire because twaimokiririo mugusigoro our language our culture musongo agoteba achigaki kono bukimana aliete no ebuna gotebanga oga nkoritori chipilau chijollof rice you know. So yeah, my journey so far is enlightening yangorokiri binte binene about the wealth ya culture to bwate no mugusi and I cannot exchange it for anything. Yeah.
Na oyo ndiye se amangana ya acting ni monoro ngura gusingo ikatoto ya kwato kuligereria kirenga kana keltu kulia lero kulende na bato kura build up conversation yega challenges kichironza chinde chide chigo impend go chigo tanga okugenderera gwa acting ase orongura gusiana marga karto ara abange mbali bago fall by the way was on the way una gonya mugocha kana umuntu nabokoranga this one is talented na bako endale regwanya matuko makaiga interest ya chiro tigire pia mangana ya wakti go satari ko involved in the day because to arole chi production chinyinge chiko chaka na se gusiga lakini chia kwa on the way.
I would say I want to lay a foundation of my response in this way. Reputation is the mother of learning. Okoirora na kuo mamo mwabago soma.
Koirorera na gusingerera.
Koirorera na gusingerera. Consistency and learning, that's an ingredient. You realize again, kera banta bange bale for example bara basani ba wiki level gete, for example level na ikire. You stop learning. You stop understanding that you need to work with other new actors. You stop understanding that technology is evolving. And also another thing still on learning, most actors mbada to understand what production is. Tali wesumbwa. You understand?
Ata
data ne mutu camera goko mobile silo etniki tamaidi e b-roll niki tamaidi. So on growth kwa iruchi production chile na for example Nairobi kwa Rangeli project on a simple audition kwa boli release wali before you start acting who is an actor tomanyeti what is a script tomanyeti what is
what I was a correct dryer and was nyangiyeke
what's your dryer that goes back to learning. Number 2, people do not have a work plan. They have a dream, and they always say the most dangerous person is an ambitious person without a plan. That's why we have thieves. You are ambitious, but you don't have a plan to achieve. So you realize you realize that most creators don't have a plan. What plan am I talking about? Tobuati a plan you go shoot. Wasakarota go shoot. Tobuati a shoot schedule. Tomaiti a shoot schedule. Why? You didn't learn. Reason number 1.
Yeah. Tomato na nikiota gairo tumeka ngigeta kaira bwe gero mai kwa chief.
O mai kwa chief. Warele. Number 3. Most actors mbabuati a dream elibata gete koneli not even fellow cast members. Yani kainga ki tegwane no to shoot. To shoot oyorosa otigana injina koraki.
Na gwatika. Continuity ya bora.
Woso iguna amukwa na sabe otiga. Why is gossip taking a dream away? It's because you don't have an anchor ikorukunga planning. Mobuati no MOU yoko work. Moko wakinga to tuomere so tuomere. So lack of that, especially the 3, is a very great contributor why the industry is not moving. But we should not miss also to credit a few people in the industry who have made it possible even for us to sit here because Mbara Oba working so hard. That we should give credit.
Na wewe kwa ndiko ryo ko tole moyino ko gendera umachando na ara vera tnaro piendi the camera se chiko sole choko ya seketega abakonyora munabona mwana niri na nabona mwana na kwambuka iga abakonyora umwiri wa na aroro achi atebenga style mugochi mwabange na yondi ndengira ngoke igomete script ya kule.
Correct. The other thing I think is important to note ni our predecessors they genuinely didn't have the amount of support we have now. Not in the sense ya abantu kubarora guseko bancha abantu banchete. But we live in a world where more companies are open to using actors as faces for their products. The financial aspect is also very important. When you're active for 10 years and there's nothing to show for it. So over time I go fall out of love with the art because there more love back. So in the art manyetenga, this is my plan. This is ekina kinta getego kora. lakini nandi ikabono the financial return on investment bono muntu go struggle, and those years of struggle they are very hard to go through. Like it's not easy financially as a upcoming artist. So that is also a big challenge, but bono I know abantu bari skari abagusiba embrace liko tumeka abagusiba mwabo in marketing and vitu kama hizo. So we are living in a better age in terms of that. But the finances are a major issue where konyora abantu bande bako give up. Because tari moshahara umete tari moshahara nga ori kirenga umuntu naro ko moshahara end month.
Na no monta ko tabe nga passion na ro koli umete ko boli wa maboli yusaro ko jate umete na rega singa njete. Bugata passion da boli passion na ro koli.
We get that a lot. I think naro konyo kwa boli ris wali gethenga. How do our spouses take it? Or people who quote in quote believe in us. I think negative energy is everywhere. Even if you did the right thing. For example, mamu president. I'll be very proud. But equally, there are people who don't like the president. So even when you get at your highest, at your peak, there are people who go pull down. That's why people have challenges in life. So, but at the same time, there are people who are too close that their opinion matters. I always feel that, for example, always runs your mondonse, or more erase what you do and what they can expect from it as a result. You understand? So basically, it is a matter of good communication and proper communication between you and the people that trust you. But at the same time, I would urge, maybe an advice, but let me just give it because of the thought process. Talent that life happens to every person. Sometimes it's good for people around you to support as long as they can take care na ende mbaro chenga omumroyo the talent in area, because to age no some of a doctor maybe there is no employment. There are many engineers that I know that are not employed. People have degrees out here. Abantu basomire abantu batoka PhD barisika batabwatira. But you realize like Frida said, we are in an era where people are able to accept things. Why? Because of digitalization, because of openness, and to open-minded, they're questioning things. So equally, even in the questioning, there is a lot of acceptance.
Na kwa mbuga senza meiwango rangena na yomweli senza meiwango so asande. Was a plan yao? Where do you see yourself in the next 5, 10, or 20 years? Maybe Hollywood na kina Michelle Rodriguez.
No, I don't want to be in Hollywood actually. I honestly don't aspire to be in Hollywood. Even tombire vinga abantu batame theory ya kuambuka. When I started speaking and atabanga buna nave kurudi tukori nave te kuambuka. I was already doing behind the scenes work, yoko work na abantu bari underprivileged gukwana na abantu. I'm a public speaker ngokwana rande chi group chaba subati chi group chaba nafunzi ngokorande ku advise ya sechi school girls and all that. So for me, acting will open me up to that world. It will put me in a position where I can speak on behalf of people watanyari who express their stories. Kubwabo watu wenye wana uwezo ya kujiongelea. I am seeing a future where ndanyare kutumika my acting and whatever platform nyasaya range going forward nkwanira abantu bari batari kunyara go tell their stories. I'm telling you, if you look at Chinbox cheito, unaona kuendenero roro oyo. And he said some very bad things as acting and as michima buru. Muswati o makandikere message inbox. Agonte bibono yabuna toko kwa na igense liko rumwane. And the reason is because ntari konyara konyoro umwana. Umonto literally they are telling you because arochenga nabo konyara kumu understand ngankia gwetera because okororire gento gwetera
munanga kioko
na hiyo kitu ilinivunja roho. It broke me to a level of humility. Kwanya ko bunu ne gento mpaka bono ko bana ki omete nchengo ngotene ne igoro mutu ya kamera igana te 3 2 1 action. Na abo musubati oyu azari kenyoro mari ebinta gwetera na bekio but after that ebigunga cut ingo tebugu cut I walk away without anything. So going forward I am praying that Nyasaye mbeke in a position where through my platform I'm able to speak to people to influence how people think about policies na vitu kama hizo because that is something I'm very passionate about and acting I believe is the best through which we are able to communicate. Yes.
Ayo ndi na matukayo ngakyoiro chiko chimotu na mambe na mambienda.
First of all, itoko yatikira Nyasaye, but at the same time, as humans, because we are also at our level, we are gods of our lives. Yeah. In 10 years, I want to see an industry whereby creators are being rewarded according to their works, because I feel we have the best talent in Kenya. Yeah, we are the most talented. Because we get Muramuna Wamo, JJ, Babo, culture, you know, artists like Miggy, they are doing so well and they are earning well.
The highest level of their
yes, they are there. Why is it not possible for the rest of the artists at least cover at that level, even if it's not? I'm able to pay my rent, I'm able to pay school fees through art. So that is why I'm saying, and that is why we are toiling at this level. And in the next generation of actors that are coming, but ample time in their art, and equally when you pay for what they are doing. Art is abantu from art na 110 shillings. There are very, very few. Okobeka, you know, YouTube kwanya achieve views 1,000. 1,000 will give you, I don't know how many cents.
Less than 100 shillings.
Less than 100. Kwa beka TikTok, TikTok does not pay directly. Understand? Kwa kora, you know, a drama, kwa ile TV stations, na jiracho, they have their own struggle.
Yeah.
So I would say also, even as a community, especially the business community, because I've worked on TV. I've worked on almost every station except one. And I know that almost every media station is struggling in one way or the other. Keroko kira ni gochimaiga. Keroko kira ni gochimaiga. Kwa nyoranga advertisers. The business community is not appreciating publicity korwase media. So kwa nyoraro ego trickle down to us. Onyenkora na kuambuka advertise business Z. Oko yunga ki onye TV station wage kuirejo. You people are just two. You are not a TV station. You are not a company.
Anye TV ko irejo. Nunga kimungo saveri.
Nunga saveri. Worry. So yani ngo urge the business community, because they're a backbone every business, especially media, because without business, media take on go thrive. I urge them to really appreciate the media, content creators, and generally artists. Reason being, if it's not rumors, I think it is factual. Kisi county na reatanga is revenue collection.
Yeah.
So it means biashara mbiro na biashara bigwere nebi inge. So when you advertise, kakibe kegento kechieto na intu nalia basani wagotorora para alitali tuometi omuntu togotara
ogosinyo umaete bana munumwe togonyara gosabarana litokenjera.
I can. In fact, afadhali kwamba kama etao saba.
Na uchinje kwanza nkwegu.
Injabana mbwenda kugora. Chino mwalimu. So if we are enabled, muna kwamba kwa if we are enabled financially, talichi handouts. No.
Structured.
Yes. Kelio montago appreciating aki. Saying tambego, yes, I know they'll do a good job. I know abantu mbale bagwaka numali. I know getambengo sibigwere bills inchiro. Let me pay this amount. Egwata muno musaniyo advertise biashara. I know you have numbers. I know you will deliver. That even puts you at a position to work hard, write more creative scripts.
tokoliga gento for fun because you know at the end of the day money is at stake. Yeah.
Pono tira nese ikirenga kikanyerere tukolia lera bantu batabanga chipara chionse amakoli onzi chinjira nebinjira byonse bilocha sakorunga mocha place kose kwanza place. Ya ingi kwanza karo kumocha kose mocha ya kwanza bono tokonya godriti either. Bono chigo tumeka chionse. Ase igoro ya gosoli yo kwegia emanika ndamna FBVN kose my sins. Njena ikagota bakatari byane nebya ino ne
turi mwenye bibi
inzajite tochakire ntaita chakurese kwamboka ebibyane kero nkia bantu ba expected kurese ebibyane bono wetani trailer bali barale trailer liko jeri kapweri nkikere pia inde ebibyane.
I wish mwale gotwara the poster ye movie ye
mo director ningejara nyoka nyenye haraka
kwa jiweka mete ingeitwa majina mengi sana lakini we settled on my sins. My which is a pronoun representing inche and mate ga bunsa bwa sigesongo turiketenga every truth has a price. For every truth there is a price you pay. Truth is very painful by the way. And the other thing that is very painful as over gimobo admission of guilt.
Wanjira nanga ni mochete.
Nonye insurance companies they thrive on vokana liability. Bauta baya ya talinche. Kero monda bauta it wasn't me. No esha gina teretanga wasn't me. Ondeta yotagete kebenga neke beke aye. Lakini what we are expecting kurua se movie ye ne keroreke nene. Ekeroreke de okobekeriga korore bibia
okwe reflecting
arona kuniru iga ebine byane birobi everything ko blame onde tokorigereria society bono iga tubwata bana bari on the streets bana bumba ibore tiboka ngati bono bakaenda up on the streets. There is a reason why society eko batumeka abana abu the way they are being used now. Did tokorigereria our leadership structures kero omuntu nare guilty of whatever issues to okorora. Did tokori family dynamics muna bono chichiane nche na oyondi. Did omusacha gwita gose mukungwa gwito mugakoye kenyoro bakura ni mpaka bwa kenyoro gya kiraiga. Kero omuntu nare guilty ngo contribute
kwa kure kingi wakora.
Kero omuntu ngo contribute yare mpaka riri oyondi aromobe na kwamboka mpaka riri yare naive. Ne jirani yanene no negwate shidanga na ki a society to allow it nga this is an environment that is able to thrive in the society.
Very narrow yani.
Bono. Nilioko igungo monto I don't want to say that is very sensitive. People are dying in compromising situations. You know? Ekine kebe kiro mondare guilty in togo partake. That is why to akiro kitena ki ebibiane. Tote to watch movie yon sipi oete go goteba ngaga ni ndo momocho ni nche mocheta kiro mondo imokie pisi ya kirore rigereri arorenki akorire as we close the year aswe omwako moyi ne bibebi kamete na biebi nande ga ko work on them. Yes
ayo ndo what is the plan bono igoro yego chamambi go seno kwaliga ni go changa kimu yaliga ne think monta bwante ko koraba kaika moja place go se kwanza place ngi expected ko kororo ne movie yo kago charo rage ende na keningero supplement njiro compliment njiro whatever.
Thank you very much. I muna kwamuka eresire. This is a family friendly movie. Omwana wachaka 16 years na bakurigerera this movie they can enjoy. So monta waso to reservations yate bana ki yone birati ko benjera gete no movie ye rated 16 na bo mwana akurigereri na bana adult akurigereri. So back to your question, all roads should be leading if they are not to mocha Kisi County Omochito Bosongo Mate gali opposite Quickmart na ya mere and Kosoa etuaro tenga because of the economy pinto nebikong generally so tukatabanga onyo gotete ko isaransa VVIP aso ko isaransa naboko ano change no eri yogi kali ko takete ko soto limeli
naboko limega ko gaji
aboko libwas moro zo kwa nesi is just 5,000 onyole na privileges ayo nyago siwa ngora igam as the boss that you are is just 5,000 then woko ni kobera na banta abuna bara wago siwa nande bara limi volume como kunyanga karake is 2,000 VIP asa then bono
Ekarora sabo mo VIP matenga ngari chumbi.
Ngari chumbi, yes. And this will give you a privilege because TV VIP na nini na wanga na biashara na wanga kwa network
kwa nyale business card hapo.
Yes. So na ndendo what regular aso konyora an opportunity yo konyora bantu ba VIP na VIP. Mo interact. Yes, mo interact. Konyora kwa nyore namba elino onyare go wekonya. So such meetings kokonya chire network. And besides that,
ya regular to kwa nitini lenga.
Is 1,000. Yeah. It's less than $10, right? Yeah. And besides that, what do you stand to enjoy?
Yeah.
Ngochoro kanyora musicians.
Tiganda kwanira musicians umano minto na also music is my nini. Yes, ninde part of kundi nzima yure live band ya MC Migi championi, lakini this Saturday tumeandaa bonge la musician. I sing rumba in my spare time. We have invited umuntu gutera live rumba music. Live omete kisi konyora live squeezy koikora kwana buyana bantu
gitu. Estima ko genda mwako.
Estima ge korima bono entunto liko tiga gutera. Estima ko lima twayenderera. Tubato mumura yani omumura gutera sano mugusi because we are supporting kisi actors and singers and artists. Okurukunga Soul Manik. Soul Manik otereta matera maya sana atakuwa pale live, tutakuwa na guitar, drum sets, hizo vitu zote. Yes, so that will be a wonderful night. Yes, so music and the movie.
And the time?
The time is from 5 p.m. tomorrow. Hadi wakati movie itaisha, you leave at your own free will.
Mpaka morose.
Takora
movie etara.
Na after party nairo. Anya godaide kunywa maji. After party nairo.
Na nara okoboli nganza chinde kero mukwa gitise movie omuntu nara okoba interested yotabanga abwese road yo yondi achiesa nabonda mo compliment inchira gite na kiara bako nyakibako banyora umuntu mnoyo
asesimi nabako tonyora ase 07 05 690 533 koiro rande 9
yeah ndole
07 05 690 533 abuna bago tanyora.
Yes.
Na ugokorera one togochaka nae kwambuke so ugokorera abana abanyaruka isikali mbale baligereti abamanyire abandi nga kwambuka n'umuntu kwagiti kwagiti byo gotera buja ugokorege neke bali batatu kubwata chiri chimbaratero chiao gosibara ni obosemi bwao as sector ya acting ngira nyako kubateye maroba yale.
First of all, as a principle in life, kore yentu anchete. Never in engineering nyekore. But monto tainga ni school galinga na bogo kore yenteke. Nga iko so mabono. That is just my opinion. Incheni so metenga kura mpake school igo monto tabasa ko imoka kare form bono iga. Ata bencha na atire tiange ndembe kwa ambuka. Na atire ya take your studies very seriously. Esengencho ondeta yo korora ori assist screen noche neba na acting ukifika onye wote to kobo yondi oyondi utaka ku improve asai uikaira naso amigore yo kobo yondi so amasomo igare kirasi mpaka asegentu anchete uikosome you learn new things. The other thing na tebetia abantu bakondikiri bagotebanga one day to koba assist screen igari ntobwate over reliance on connections. Uikaransario gotebanga nchebono nyumuntu tagocha ngimukia ankonye gintu gite aitawezekana
kwambuka ndo matebinga role ya unera
bono ndo matebinga nchuo kore no. A good friend of mine akanga advice akantebiga noro chonye egento manyita sense yiga no gwake kunu nande umenyete ngancharo menyete super drum ime ondeta yorandore imokie konunye yake kore super drum ime omuntu goigacha ko ngwanta bori konu bono naiguye gwa kubuyama abu asore do it abu asore omuntu nacha konyore
to your best.
Finally Hollywood ngwata Hollywood omuntu nare Hollywood boni as we speak agwaka millions per movie umetero kia gokora ago
akanire gukwa
yani idiriba ko riyo muntu oranyare gukwa se movie bata ondeta yora kwa
na pera 10 seconds igokwe
yani ago shoot ku react buno muntu beire short na ando kure
extras
my message is abu ase kenyoro chaka ko mark time gabu muntu naro bwate gari na chago ikera ko imuki lakini tago go imuki onye kuraire bona I mark time, you will mark time so good. Or as someone said, sweep the street so well that when the king passes by atasema herein was a sweeper, the best sweeper alikuwa anapita hapa hivi. So do it at your position, your destiny will find you. Yeah.
Ayonde. Obo semi bwa ogochisikali bali bakuligerete.
Abana ose.
Bonse pia bonse onde bwenzi kuligerete sana.
So tujakira abana bake. Igwera Bible baino. For your days will be many.
Rule number 1.
Rule number 1 before anything else. Igwera abana abamini igwera Bible bago. Tukakoreki. And in the meantime, Bible muna abana bagenete ko ba igwera kindly. Enseye etoro Bible ko guide omwana aikere purpose nya sa korete
ama bekereto
intori nseye koroseri chinchira abana ba chingao. That's why when you go to hospitals okonyoranga for instance chinasire very rude okonyora noro monta kolega asiare very rude. Most of them maybe without their knowledge as much as they asengo chere na a lot of stress okonyore ba kolega ntukiri batatongere tu okora enge kebungu ko igore kebuli ketaliment ko igora. So when as a parent your primary job and say ya so mwana no como guide through anyale gwikere purpose ria korete ki atongere tu na boso mobo nyagitari song nere ya mwaniki na bara some so tiga ko buganga koiro mwana school by force masomi banyagitari go somi bwalimu nini onye passion ya mwana iteyo mo guide through ko bomo sanitary boke bago as they think squeeze ando maraba sani for a very reasonable. For example, Nameless is one of the richest musicians we have. Kwamboka is Kwamboka is well educated. He's a diplomat. You know. Ndobwata makumba through obo sani obo. Oni gama kumanko boliare.
OMP, yes.
Ndobwata Dagoretti South or Dagoretti. KJ. Yeah. That is a very serious guy. Ndobwata nyamba na meta ko boli president. Ndobwata Jalango. So we also have bad examples too, but for purposes of this, kindly let us promote talent and let us obey our parents.
Mudari sona kontenga chinsa na chochi achire monoke gima nande twa mwibira ngi deke sana na ibere lakini ndo togosaba pole ne bibye itokunda bateba. Twabya njira ndibona igaza sawa since na mwanchu muligerali yore dagwa nanga samete skuru ikoro ku Kenyoro asabaga tumwe binago kamugano ngalingo ijana ngwenye kubatebe nga ntwa tumiturimo ebinago skuru lakini mwalimu agakora makosa akakwa nege songo agateba. On top of that you come with Mauritius stones. On top ndo bato mumurege tengoro ku on top skuru bona no muro naro na ngoro kwa abina kama utangasire skuru ngimanga on top ota igwale te binago mambi. So mapi montale te binago skuru ngima no ndo bwiko bwate binago wese skuru ngima the whole school. Mwanju muligeri amuna to ko rengwana yagatembeli tukolia lero kolende ko kwenye letu itukolia mambia moja kachinza 11 niko gana iliko toka sakurunga moja place kwa kwanza place yuko toka aso mchobo songo ange negose opposite supermarket ya Quickmart inonya kabokorora egosoli yo kwegenge yakigema emakitemna maisien sese kuguseta na ibe bibiane iyo no chomanya ngi kerororo gekora ngola ngi kwikiko kune asenjera ya mugose yende nanda yuka na mange arachi kunya kabaga litukelio lisukeli yangyo gochaka chinsa 11 tika watenjiri ngoro ku Aroni ototo nyengiri oyone na kwamboka na balige na bana intwese engwana yagatambira tukolera tumira na kyonga chinsa inye chikora chinsa inye igoro.